And good morning, Facebook. Happy Hump Day. Oh, look who I've got over my shoulder. It's the man himself, the doctor, the DPF doctor. So as you can tell, I'm still up in the northeast. We're just putting the Pickle Volvo back together, Thunderbird 5. So taking all the modifications off that we did to it, T-pieces for pressure pipes and stuff like that. Going to top the oil up, just have a quick look at that offside front wheel bearing and make sure nothing's hanging off before I go. Oh, look at that. Now that's what you call a cup, mate, isn't it?
Put my coffee in it as well.
Yeah. I'm just going to give it a bit of a check over before I set off back. I'll be back in the hub sometime just after lunch, probably mid-afternoon. And I've got a few bits and pieces, some catching up to do. But there we go. So, product testing up in the DPF Doctor. Sole purpose of that, just so we know what the stuff does, and so when the members of both our networks are asking about what chemicals to use and stuff like that, and what will fix what, you know, we know we've tested them all now. We know the characteristics, we know what they're capable of and what they're not. Morning Darren, morning Stephen, morning Richard. Yeah, so we just, you know, we're talking from an informed perspective. It's been.
Hey mate.
There's our Steve always in there. Yeah.
Steve was in.
Yeah.
Good evening.
Yeah. We're, you know, we're talking from an informed perspective, so it was time very, very well spent. Thunderbird 5 has proved to be a pretty bulletproof car. This thing with an induced boost leak, so the boost pipe off, the MAF disconnected, the soot was counting up, and then all of a sudden the temps come up, it started to do its own regeneration, it cleaned itself when any other car on the planet would have been blocking up and stalling. Morning John, morning Ross.
This is the unseen part of testing, isn't it? When the car doesn't play along.
That's it, yeah. So we're going to build it back up, drop a bit of oil in it, and head back down to sunny Cheshire, back to the south north. So it's going to be awesome. So listen, without further ado, if it's your birthday today, happy birthday. If it was yesterday and I missed it, happy birthday. If you've got your birthday tomorrow on Thursday, happy birthday. Thanks for watching. It's goodbye from me, and it's goodbye from him. Thanks for watching. You're awesome.